Hello everybody and welcome one more time here to my channel Crypto B, and you are on my crypto show. Let me just arrange everything here before we start. Let me see if you guys can hear this music over here. Let's see. Here before we start. Let me see if you guys can hear. Let's see this music over here before we start. Let's see if you guys can hear. Let's see. Let's see if you guys can hear. Let's see. I don't think you guys can hear. I need to fix that. But I have let me take the sound out. I have to add the sound coming from my computer into the streaming. I did something and it didn't work. I don't think it will work at this time. When I have more people on the stream, I'm gonna try again to see if you guys can hear. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Welcome everybody to the show. If it's your first time here, of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family here. And let me share with you guys here what's going on today in the market. So let me go here. Where am I? Here. Bitcoins at 27,962. In the last 24 hours, it's at 0.10% up. So it's trending in the market. Ethereum is a little bit down, but also trending at a 0.57. BNB also a 0.72 down. XRP 0.34%. Solana at 1.18% down. Cardano 2.59 down. Dogecoin at 0.14 cents also down. Tron up almost 1%. Toncoin 3.95% down. Polygon 0.71%. I'm going to talk about Polygon Chainlink today. I'm going to talk a little bit about Ethereum as well. So stay with me to the end of the show. 1.75% Chainlink is down, and AVAX 2.99%. AVAX have a very big dump here. I'm wondering if it's because the exploitation on the new social media that they did, similar to the Friendtech, something like that. I have that news as well. I'm going to bring that to you guys as well. Let me share with you guys here, starting talking exactly about that. Star Arena. So let me share with you this screen here. I hope you guys can hear. Well, here it is, Star Arena, which is, let me share this here. Star Arena is the future of SocialFi on AVAX. But there was an exploitation happening about 11 hours ago. They tweeted a message saying, or the X, a message saying, there has been a major security breach with the smart contract. We are actively checking the issue. Do not deposit any funds. Stay tuned for updates. And then about 2 hours ago, they also sent another message saying, important news. We have secured the resource to close the gap caused by the exploit. Additionally, a special white hat development team is coming in to rapidly review the security of the platform. We will reopen the contract with all the funds in full after a full security audit. This will happen very soon. See you all on Spaces in a few hours. So they are doing, actually, I think it's now, they are doing any space. So anybody involved on the Star Arena, they just finished the space. I was there for a little while, and you can play the record here again, so you guys can check more regarding the Star Arena exploitation there if you are involved on the platform. I tried to sign up a couple of days ago, but I couldn't because I was having problem with my phone. But eventually maybe I'll check it out as well. Those platforms like the Friendtech, it's interesting. You're getting, in fact, if you have any Friendtech invitation, send me a code. I might join as well. I haven't been there yet, but would be interesting, especially if you're earning Ethereum with it. Would be awesome, right? So talking about X, let me share this with you guys here as well. Talking about X, as you guys can see here, X everything up. That's exactly what Elon wants to do. Push continues as Elon Musk tests video game streaming. We saw this the other day. During his streaming, Elon Musk said that X has planned to integrate streaming service with Xbox and PS5, but has no plans of trying to be better than a specialized streaming platform. That would be very interesting, as you can see here. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but he was streaming here, playing the game. As you can see, streaming test 3 has made another step forward, becoming a everything app after Elon Musk test out a video game stream on the platform. In a 50 minutes long stream on October 6, Musk streamed himself playing the popular online auction role-playing game Diablo. This is cool, guys, because eventually, if it's all due platform, eventually we probably will also have a cryptocurrency acceptance on the Twitter, on the X, and probably will get, if imagine if Dogecoins become the coins of the platform, or the main payment system of the platform. That would be something very, very interesting for us all to see. And so keep your eyes open for that. Whatever Elon's doing on the X should be very good for everybody. Is that what he's trying to do is everything up, push to continue. So let's see how that's going to work out. Also here, as we just mentioned this before, also there was a news on that as well. Friendtech copycat, which we're just saying, start arena patches exploit after some funds drained. So yeah, they got some funds drained in the platform, as I just showed you guys. Star Arena user Lilichi.eth discovered that exploit on October 5th and announced its own X, claims that over 1 million was lost. The Star Arena team confirmed the attack, called a war against the app. They said the attack only resulted in approximately 2,000 in losses, and that the exploit has been patched. All right, we talked about that. Little.eth here tweeted, Star Arena, you fucked up. Well, $1.1 million being drained right now because of noobs devs who couldn't make a copy of friend.tech. I don't know how good is this platform, the Star Arena, but it's from AVAX. And again, we can give it a try and see how it works, right? I suppose. Of course, always be careful wherever you are connecting wallets and that kind of thing, or do not connect your wallets anywhere that you don't really know anything about it, and it would be best just to stay away if you don't know what to do. All right. This FTX case is here, so let's share here. It's been a crazy happening during the whole week. We saw a lot of things regarding FTX, and the FTX CTO testify against SBF, admitting Alameda used customer funds. This was a fact. Everybody knew that, and that's why happened what happened to FTX. So the FTX co-founder confirmed the commingling of customer deposits. Former FTX CTO Gary Young took the stand yesterday in Sam Bankman-Fried trial and admitted helping Bankman-Fried by secretly allowing affiliate trading firm Alameda Research special access to customer deposit on the non-bankruptcy crypto exchange. Yes, they did that. Unbelievable. Appearing as the first cooperating witness, Young said they gave special privilege to the Alameda Research on FTX, which allowed it to withdraw unlimited amount of funds from the platform. And yes, we lied about this to the public, reported the Wall Street Journal. Young started the funds come from FTX customer in a follow-up question from the prosecution. Young, who admitted guilt in December to fraud and criminal conspiracy, testified that the former engineer chief Nishad Shihang altered the code in July 2019, enabling Alameda to maintain negative balance without facing liquidation. The admission supports federal prosecutors charged that Bankman-Fried misused billions in customers' deposits to support Alameda's trading operation and misled investors and customers about FTX financial separation from Alameda. SBF lawyers claims the 30 years old did not purposely steal funds. Yeah, right. Instead, blaming FTX failure on poor risk management and market volatility. Guys, I wish I had the sound because I would put this for you guys here. Was a fail. This was a fail. This is it's exactly what brought the whole market down eventually, remember? So where are we now? So this is it. And now let's go to the coins that I would like to talk a little bit about today. So bringing back here into the token metric GPT. Love this app. So we go here. Ethereum is a second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It is a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. That Ethereum has been a pioneer. This is a little bit small for you guys, right? Let me try to put this up a little bit so you guys could see better. So wait. Yep. So here, Ethereum has been a pioneer in the blockchain space and has a strong developer community. It's known for its scalability challenge, but there are ongoing efforts to address this within upgrades like Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum has shown significant growth in the past bull market, and it is expected to continue its upwards trajectory in the next bull market. Stay with me to the end because I'm going to show you guys the potential gains that Ethereum can get in the next bull market. Next, I will be talking a little bit about also Chainlink. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts within real-world data. It aims to bridge the gap between blockchain-based smart contracts and the real-world data source. I said this before and I'll say it again. Cryptocurrency needs Chainlink and projects such like Chainlinks. Chainlink has gained popularity for its ability to provide reliable and tamper-proof data to smart contracts. It has partnership with various blockchain projects and has been integrated into numerous DeFi applications. Chainlink has shown strong performance in previous bull markets and has the potential for further growth in the next bull market, that's for sure. The next one, it's Polygon Matic. Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. It aims to address Ethereum scalability issue by providing faster and cheaper transactions. Polygon offers a framework for building and connecting Ethereum capability to compatible blockchain network. It has gained traction in the decentralized finance space and has seen significant adoption. Polygon scalability solution and growing ecosystem make it an attractive option for the next bull market, especially now with the Polygon 2.0. All right, and also Pulsechain. Pulsechain is a project that aims to create a more energy efficient and sustainable blockchain network. It plans to achieve this by utilizing proof of stake or POS consensus instead of proof of work used by the Ethereum. Pulsechain is currently in development and there is limited information available about specific. No, that's wrong information. It's not current in development. Pulsechain is already out. Very well, working very, very nicely, working faster, working cheaper, and better than Ethereum, as I know, because I try to be a little bit far away from Ethereum, despite invest in the coin itself on the ETH coins. But using the blockchain per se, I intend to be a little bit away because of the gas fee is ridiculous expensive. Right, so we're gonna go first to, let me open here, go post. I love this app. I'm going to talk about Post-chain a little bit first. So let me share this window here with you guys. And as I'm sharing, this site is very good, by the way, called Go Post, and you can get all the information about Post-chain here. So first, just so you see, Post-chain is a little bit down. It's 1.66% down at the moment. Market cap of 693 million. And you can see here that Post-chain is down 40463. Let me go into the, let me actually go into the chart of Bitcoins. Put it here. As you can see the chart here, people say, oh my God, that's crazy. So I showed this before here. We had a real dump all the way here to this one. About 62% drop, right? After the SEC news against Richard Hart, that's when it drops, okay? That's how I read the chart, okay? This launch, okay, when it launched, spiked all the way up to, I think went a little bit up than this, but yeah, let's say here. This is a little bit up the sacrifice price. And then, of course, a lot of paper hands and people doesn't believe in the project. My God, I just saw myself putting my fingers in my nose. It was inside, by the way. It was just on the side, but just side. So, and then we had a big drop here, guys. And this is the drop that we had. Where is the pen? Let's put the brush here. So this is the drop that we had. Okay. Let me put this in. I put this in yellow, let's say. Let's put this in bright yellow. And let's make this a little bit harder there. Okay. So, as you can see here, this first drop was after people get paper hands. They got a little bit of gains there. Not much gain, but they got a little bit of gains. And then they drop, okay? So this drop here, which was the first drop, was 52% drop. And then people start to buy, which is natural, okay? Especially in the bear market, people start to buy, and then selling, buys. It's an organic flow, right? That people buy and people sell. It's as simple as that. And then what happened was it stays, as you can see, stayed sideways a little bit into the news. It probably would stay sideways, guys, and we would stay on this range, okay, of sacrifice range. That's what I believe. I believe we would be around this range here, sacrifice range, okay? If we didn't have the news from the SEC against Richard Hart. And on that news, as you can see here, 31st of July, it was 31st of July, is when we see another 62 drop. Okay, of course, a lot of people are selling out this token. A lot of people doesn't believe in the projects. A lot of people that believe that this was going to go to zero, and so on and so much panic sells and so on, and that's why it came up to here. But then people started to realize that, oops, maybe I'm selling too soon. I'm selling too fast. That's why it started to went up again, up to here, right? Here went up to here, up to 408. But then the market, the bear market is still here. People are buying, people are selling, people are buying, and there is a lot of FUD happening. So a lot of FUDing happening in the ecosystem. Okay, if is Richard gonna face the tribes, the SEC, or he gonna pay and that's it, finish. So everybody very skeptical. People are still selling. But what's happening here, in my way of seeing, is exactly what is happening, supposed to happen over here. Remember, if it was not the case, we would see a big drop here. But no, would carry on straight, and potentially on the when the bull market starts, things would go and escalate up from here, which is not the case now, because the case now will be here whenever that is, whenever we start to see Bitcoin going up, so close to the next halving or so, when we start the beginning of halving, the half season. Let me see if I can see here, which I can. Let me put that down a little bit. Well, let me check here, guys. Is it the market or the rating? Let's check that after. So, as I was saying here, at some point we will start things going up, and don't be afraid if you start to see going up and down and up and down and up and down, and then when everything reach the altcoin season, we see a very big spike. All right, and again, I strongly believe, of course, I don't have a crystal ball. If I did, I would be a millionaire by now, and we would go to the moon. And I don't know if you guys can hear what I'm playing some sounds here, but I don't think you guys can hear that. I need to fix my audio. So my prediction price for Pulsechain, if everything goes well and we have the ETF, PTC, eventually even for Ethereum, I think, guys, this will be the best cycle ever in crypto. If that happened, meaning the global market cap become around 5 to 6 trillion, right? Which is almost double from the last cycle, which was last cycle we had a closer to $3 trillion. But this time, everybody's believing that if Bitcoin alone will get to $3 trillion. If that actually happened, and then I see PLS going to around one cent. Is that what's going to happen? I don't know. But if we break that area of 1 cent, it's already beautiful, right? But if you break the area of 1 cent, I think we'll have a big run to 0.6 or 7 cents. Is this what's going to happen? I don't know, but that's what I believe. I think we're gonna go to 0.01 cents, at least closer to it. Okay, maybe 209, 20778. But if we do eventually break, I think 1 cent will be the resistance price for Pulsechain. And if we do eventually break that, and then I think we can start to dream to 6 to 7 cents. This is what I think about Pulsechain. And then we have within the ecosystem, and I'm talking here, if Pulsechain does what Pulsechain is supposed to do, I strongly see the PLSX token falling that. I'm obviously not getting closer to the price, but falling the run. So we'll see PLSX doing a very nice run, and people that are holding PLSX will do a very nice gain. I will definitely hold PLSX. I want to see all my tokens going up. I see Hex doing very well. I see Hex exploding and going back to its all-time high eventually. Again, if everything goes as planned and we have the perfect moon world. And then Ink token as well, doing what Ink token is supposed to do, which is the high price, like did on the launch of Pulsechain. So there's a lot of potential here. And the reason why there's a lot of potential is because it's a layer one, and it's a new chain. It's a new project. Guys, a lot of other chains and other projects that were here last cycle, honestly, if they are surviving now and they are doing good, great. And I think they will do amazing, right? Some of them, but not everything. We're going to see a lot of projects dying straight away, all the way down. It's not going to succeed. That's simple what it is. If we go here back to the coin market cap, we can see here how many coins there is. There's a total of crypto here, right? 1.8 million. No, this must not be this one. Where is it? Where is it? Let's click here. Anyway, there's over 20,000 coins. No, much more. There's thousands and thousands of cryptocurrency and projects, guys. Do we really believe that all this, the project will succeed? No, of course not. But Polychain, and you might ask, so why do you believe Polychain will succeed? For small reasons. One of them is in order for projects to succeed, you need a good project, okay, a good team behind the project, and the team who deliver the project. I know it took a long time, took 2 years for everybody who invested, but Richard is, I mean, he's still there. He's not as the way he was, and I don't really care, to be honest. I care the product or the chain to work and do well, right? I have a message here. Best spoken. How are you doing, brother? Thanks for being here. Villa Friend Tech clone comes to PLS. Hope so. Interesting. That'll be interesting. There's a lot of those social media now getting to the projects. But again, guys, always be careful. Always do your research. Do not get scammed by any new project on the Pulsechain, especially. Will be a lot of, because it's so cheap chain. So a lot of projects gonna go in there just to dump in people's heads. So please do your research and always be careful. All right. I opened this here as well, so I can tell you where's the bull and the bears. And at the moment we are on the bears. Can you see 24% on the fear and greedy here, as you can see on the side. The bear is it's people are scared. People are still scared. They don't know what's going on and what's happening, right? Especially because here, as you can see, the Bitcoin versus altcoin seasons, we're still low here. We're not even close yet to over 60% here or 60 points here in order to get into the altcoin season, guys. But when we get here, we're gonna explode. This is gonna be amazing. And if you are in crypto until now, if you waited until now, there is no reason to leave. There is no reason to wait a little bit longer, because we are in the right space, in the right place to be. That's what I believe, all right? That crypto is the way forward for everybody. Anyway, so talking about Ethereum now, my price prediction for Ethereum, just go here, as you can see here, buy in the token metric. There's a strong buy here, close to a strong buy. At the moment is $1,638. If we go here to the fundamentals, I don't know, down here, fundamental grades about 70%, 70.21%. Strong communities, performance doing 3 points. There's almost 10% on the team. Volatility 8%. As you know, all crypto should have, they do have volatilities. If we go to scenario analysis, so if we go here 17.40% on currency dominance. If we go back here, you will understand what I'm talking about. Oops, we're here. Where? Let me go back here. 17.36. So at this dominance, okay, with this market cap at 1.13 trillion, if we go back there, share this, where not this one, share this tab here. So as you can see here, the current dominance is 17%, and the total crypto market cap in trillions is $1, right? So up to $1 here. If we go here 17%, you can see here one is the prices is ranging between 1,446 going up close to $2,000, but of course the dominance also have to go up if we are at $1 trillion. If expectation go as we plan, if expectation goes the way we potentially everybody's talking about, that this might be the best cycle ever, that means we're going to see a total of market cap in trillions, right? So let me up this for you guys here. So we are to see close between $5 and $6 trillion into the market. If we see, that's what we see, and dominance goes up between 26, 34. percent, that means, guys, we will see Ethereum, which between $10,846 to 14,461, which is very, very possible to happen. This is great. This is great. That's why I like Ethereum, because it's a very good, it's still going to do a very nice run. I mean, if you put now $1,000 and in the next year you get about close to 14,000, it's nice. I like that. So Ethereum, it's something that I keep my eyes on it. If still drop a little bit, of course, we will like that, because it will be a better entrance into the market. So of course, we're talking moon, a moon prediction, right? If like everything happens the way we plan, imagine Ethereum become ETF as well, and we have all of this, and we have unbelievable amount of volume and money inside crypto, and that means we go into $10 trillion in the global market cap, which I believe that's a little bit difficult to happen, but maybe will happen in the next cycle in 2030. That when we come to a 10 trillion market cap, global market cap, and at the dominance of 26%, 34%, we can see Ethereum in 2030, 2032, 3, we see Ethereum around $21,000 to $28,000. That would be amazing to see. But we're talking about a lot and probably mass adoption of crypto, which may happen very soon. That's especially with the ETF happening now. Remember that we are at $1 trillion. In the last cycle, we came closer to $3 trillion, right? And Ethereum reached around $4,000. So it's very possible that we will reach those range again, right? We will reach those range again. So in a more conservative price for Ethereum, we talking about $7,200 more or less for Ethereum on the next bull market. And of course, mooning our thoughts and our wishes around $14,000 to $15,000 for the next cycle. That would be very interesting. Of course, everything is speculation. We don't know. Nobody have a crystal ball, and anybody who tells you otherwise, they probably are lying to you, because that's definitely not the way it works, right? So it depends. It's a lot of things. It depends on the market. It depends on the investors. It depends who is in. Depends on so many things in order for that to happen. And the next coins I would like to talk to you guys, let me share here, will be Chainlink. Like I said before, a crypto needs Chainlink. Everybody needs Chainlink, as I specified to you guys before. In fact, let me go here to the site very fast of Chainlink, so I can tell you guys a little bit. So what does Chainlink actually does, and why Chainlink is so great? Well, Chainlink basically is connecting the world to blockchain. And where is it? There is some use case here, and where is it? Let's try to read this one here. Cross-chain by Chainlink. This is very, very interesting, guys, because this is a new thing that Chainlink might going to be doing, is the cross-chain by Chainlink. The era of secure blockchain interoperability has arrived. A secure interoperability protocol for sending cross-chain message and application, enabling cross-chain real-world scaling cross-chain ecosystem, connecting private and public blockchain. This is wow. So they're going to be connecting everything multi-chain, and we need that. And this is at the moment they're showing here: Ethereum, Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, and AVAX. So I like it. Chainlink, and I think a Chainlink have a very strong potential. Oops, let me share my screen again, because I pressed the wrong button here. So let me go here, share my screen. Let's go back here. Chainlink over here. Remember, if it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family. Help me to grow my community, because like this, of course, my friends, you encourage me to do and to create more and more content for you. Follow me on Twitter as well. I bring a lot of news on Twitter, and it's very, very cool. So Chainlink, as we are here at the moment, is very close to the strong buy, as you can see here, with a market cap of $4 billion, 197 million. Chainlink is at $7.54 with 2.15% down. So talks a little bit about technology here as well. As you can see, development activity. Chainlink has a strong development activity with a total of 187,794 commits on its GitHub repository. This level of activity places in the top 10 percentile of projects in terms of commits. That's very good. Audit and security. Chainlink has undergone one token audit, although it's important to note that the relevance of this audit is considered outdated. The lack of recent token audit may raise concern about the current security measure in place. However, it's important to consider other security metrics as well. Based on the technology metrics for Chainlink, it exhibits a strong development activity with a significant number of commits and fork at its GitHub repository. While only one token audit has been conducted, it's outdated and the project could benefit from more recent audits. Of course, everybody wants more audits and more audits all the time in order for everybody to feel safe and secure. In terms of security, Chainlink has a clean track record with no report hack case and a good security score of 86.0%. That's very good. Code quality is decent with relatively low code duplication and a reasonable number of code comments. However, Chainlink does exhibit a higher number of report vulnerability compared to other projects. Considering these metrics, the relevant technology grades of Chainlink of 89%. I like Chainlink. I think Chainlink is really, 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 really great. Let's go here to scenario analysis. So I can tell you guys. So at the moment, Chainlink sits at 0.37% dominance with the current price of 7.54 and current market cap of $4.20 billion. So at the current price and current dominance, as we can see here, we are around here with close to, not close, a little bit over $1 trillion. So see, it's ranging between $6 and $8-9 max if it stays within this current dominance, right? So, but as I said, the same thing to Ethereum and to Pulsechain as well. If the market go as we believe it will go, with things going a little bit parabolic, when the ETF goes into Bitcoins, Ethereum already applied for ETF, so things will start to escalate, meaning more people, more volume. That's mean more things happen to crypto, more money coming to crypto, and the more money coming to crypto, if the global market cap of crypto grows 1, 2, 3, 5, $10 trillion into crypto, that means we're seeing here a lot of money, right? So if goes close to between 5 and 6 trillion dollar, we might see Chainlink around here, guys, around here. That's with 1.86 dominance. We see Chainlink between $167 to $335, right? So I know it's crazy because Chainlink is at $7 today, but that would be simply amazing, right? And like we said, we saw the importance. It's very nice to see Chainlink still here. Last cycle, Chainlink did. Let me just check here what Chainlink did last cycle. I think was it $44? Was it? Let's see the all-time high of Chainlink. Let's see the information. You guys cannot see this because I'm back on CoinMarketCap and I'm not sharing this one here. But it was where were you? So let's see here. Oh, yeah, $49, 49.5. So that was the price for Chainlink then. So imagine if everything happens and we see an explosion. That will be very, very amazing to see. So my price prediction, the time being, is $67. Let's do a bearish scenario. So let's see if it goes back. Let's say it goes to 5 trillion, but the dominance doesn't go that high. We see, let's say, 67. That's above and beyond already the $45 of the all-time high from last time, right? But I'm thinking potentially 167 to $335 for Chainlink. That's impressive. That's impressive. So my other coins would be or will be Polygon Matic. I like Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic. Let me go here a little bit. Polygon Matic is doing the upgrade to. Let's see if it's gonna open here. With the internet's a little bit. Let me see if I can share with you guys. Let me share with you guys this here before going back there. So Polygon, the value layer of the internet, the fundamental protocol that allows anyone to create and exchange value powered by zero knowledge, ZK technology. But Polygon is building the 2.0, right? Where was it? Somewhere here. Let me see if I find it here to you guys. This one here. So let's open here very fast. Let's go here. Polygon 2.0 updates. POL contracts are live on Gorilla testnet. So they're on testnet now. 3 weeks ago, a Polygon improvement proposal details the specification for Polygon, the upgraded token of the Polygon 2.0. There you go. Is there anything I need to do today as a Polygon user Matic holder? Nothing. We can't stress this enough. The testnet release is part of standard security practice, and the new PIPS release today are being proposed for community feedbacks. If you would like to join the governance process and give your input, you can join the discussion on the forum. Guys, I think Polygon is developing, they are building, they are doing a lot of cool stuff. A lot of cool stuff. Let's go here into the technology like I did before with the other token as well. So development activities, Polygon has a strong development activity with total of 131, 293 commits on the GitHub. Considering the technology metric discussed, Polygon showcase strong development activities on the GitHub repository with a significant number of commits and forks. However, it's important to note that the token out's relevance is outdated. As you can see, many tokens are a little bit like that. The code quality of Polygon is generally favorable with a relatively low number of duplicate blocks, indicating high code quality. Additionally, the project has a significant number of comments lines, which contributes to code readability and understanding. Overall, the technology metrics grade for Polygon stand at 81%. I like Polygon. It's a scalability project. Let's go back here and let's go and see the scenario analysis. At the moment, Polygon sits at 0.56% with buy, close to strong buy here on token metrics. And current dominance is at 47% with 5.29 billion current market cap. All right. So if everything goes crazy as we believe, the best cycle ever and so on happens here, close to $5 or $6 trillion, we might see Polygon going close to $12. This would be the perfect scenario. The bullish scenario would be 12.58 to $25. That would be the bullish scenario. Can explode and go parabolic? Of course it can. But I think that Polygon will stay here for the long term, for like not only this cycle coming, for the next cycle and so on. And if so, we will see prices like $100, $150, $200, whatever. Probably not in this next coming, on the next cycle, maybe. Okay, that's what I think. But we might see prices going up to $25, possible. Yeah. If not, we see going back to between $3 and $7, which is also not bad. But we see $3 to $7 if it goes back, the market goes back to the $3 trillion. But if everything's go mental and we end up going to the $5 to $6 trillion in the global market cap, yeah, 12 to 25 is very is possible. I mean, in crypto, guys, everything is, honestly, everything is possible. Expect the unexpected. That's the thing. All right, so let me share with you guys here my X. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, please go on Twitter, as you can see here, and of course, follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my channel. It's very important for me, to help me to grow my community, help me to grow my channel. Share my this content with other people. Share on Twitter. Tag me as well, so I can repost like this. All those things, all those emoji that you go in the comments and you write something in the comments, or you put an emoji there, or anything you do, definitely 100% helps the content creator to become better. You help the content creator to engage more and to find more jobs. I am trying to go full-time crypto, and when I say full-time crypto, either getting a job or within a crypto project. I'm looking into only creating content here on my channel, on my X space. So if anybody out there, if you have a project or anything like this that are legit, and you guys are looking for a content creator, for somebody to speak on your YouTube channel, to become a content creator for your project, and you'd like to have me as to do that, please do send me a DM me here on X, and we can definitely discuss. I'm trying to go full-time crypto, working with crypto, with everything. That's my passion. That's what I like. I try to be on crypto as much as I can, but I do have another job still, because I have a family I need to be able to provide. But if you come here to my X, I have done here as well, guys, for you. People are asking about the Pulsechain content creator. So I put together some content creator here. In fact, your friend saw me on the Pulsechain community. He was the one who sent me a message saying, why don't you create a content creator map as well? So we all know the Pulsechain content creators. So I created here, as I created the DeFi map for Pulsechain. You guys can check that as well. You can check both. I have both here. So this is the, wait, not this one. Let me go. So this, where is it? Let's go down here. Let me check. See, guys, if you guys go to my X, you will be able to see here all stuff that I create on X. Very good. So I have here the Pulsechain. There's a lot of projects, okay? Over 44. Apart from everything that I already spoke about Pulsechain on the video, on this live, this as well, there are a lot of information here. So 44,000 validators, all right? It's amazing. A lot of projects. The projects and the founders are building, guys. All the projects are very nice. Please do check. Of course, there's a disclaimer here. I would like to provide some clarification regarding the Pulsechain DeFi map. Its purpose is to showcase the immense strength and size of our community in the crypto space. However, it's important to note that we are not conducting legitimacy check on the projects featured on this map. Therefore, I strongly encourage you to conduct throughout research on any projects you are interested in take part in, and exercise cautions when you click on any link. Of course, you need to check that it's not everything that is great. Like we said before, not everything that's going to succeed. All right, so check that as well. Very important. And then I did this one here. I did also the post-chain content creator. Of course, there is some people that I would miss out, but if I did miss anybody, let me know. Send me them the X handle, and I can add them here as well. This is just to show, guys, how, you know, like post-chain ecosystem is flourish with a multitude of projects and an increasing presence of prominent crypto influencers or crypto content creators. I am currently compiling a comprehensive list of post-chain crypto content creators to underscore the robustness of the true DeFi ecosystem. If you happen to not see your favorite influencer on the map, please contribute by sharing the handle and the comments on this post, and I will make sure to include them on the next time. And again, the post-chain DeFi influencer map aims to show our crypto community the strength and size, but remember, we don't check if influencers are legit. So please research and be cautious when and don't blind follow a device of anybody. It's very important not to follow a device, be blind when people are speaking, okay? Not me, not anybody else. Very important that. So like I said previously, if you want to support someone in the crypto space or in the crypto community, I am seeking sponsorship from my YouTube channel to transition into full-time crypto content creator. So if you are a project, or if you are anything, if you work with crypto and you have anything in mind that would fit my goals, which is to become a full-time content creator, send me a message. That will be a nice way to we can speak. Anyway, so I always share stuff that I believe to be good for the community over here. So as I said here before, according to the token metrics, is one app that I use to get some insights. It appears that we are still in Bitcoin season, as evidence below shows over here. As you can see, Bitcoin season over here, things are happening, but we're not yet on the altcoin seasons. On April 29, 2024, we are halving the BTC halving day. While we have some time to gather more altcoins, it's crucial not to overlook this potentially once in a lifetime opportunity. As we've been saying, if this is the best or potentially be the best ever cycle for crypto, we need to be aware. I also talk here a little bit about Polygon Matic, which is a coin that I like. What is Polygon, Matic token, Polygon 2.0, and so on and so on. So I do bring a lot of information here on my X as well. I ask people here 3 projects on Pulsechain that you would like to or could invest $5,000 if you had the money right now. Which would that be? Go on my Twitter and put that down and tell. Some people are putting here the projects, they are tagging them here with the projects they believe to be good. Any crypto content. Oh, this is very nice, by the way. If you are actually a content creator and you write crypto, okay, if you write, so we are preparing content in Asian language, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and Vietnamese. We need to hire more content writers. This is posted by Post Wallet. I think this guy is doing a great job, guys. I have downloaded the wallet as well. Again, no financial advice, but go and check. It seems to be very nice project. They're very smart guys, and I like this project, Post Wallet. Okay, so here, yes, I also got a couple of 9mm Pro OG NFTs. I got them as well. Again, I don't really invest much in NFTs, but I like the characters. It was very fun. The NFT cards from these guys. I got 1 or 2 of them. Again, no financial advice. I'm not telling nobody to do anything. Oh, this is great. By the way, this is great. You guys cannot hear anything, right? Because I bought a new Roadcaster Duo, which is this here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me put up. Can you guys see this? So this here, it is my Roadcaster Duo. From the Rode mics. But the thing is, I used one time and it's giving me issues. It's giving me a lot of problems. Basically, it doesn't switch on anymore. So Rodecaster or Rode mics, if you are listening to this, it doesn't work. I paid $500 and is not working, right? Is not. I used one time, is not working, and then I had to download on my phone here. I had to download on my phone the touch portal in order for you guys to be able to listen to sounds when I play. But the thing is, because I mess up the routers of the sound here, I am not able. You guys are not able to listen to me. But I had some nice sound, guys, which I hopefully I will do on the next live streaming. Uh, what else I have here, guys? For you guys, this is what's create Pulse Wallets account easily with X Twitter. So I shared some of the stuff from the Pulse Wallets. I think they're doing a great job, guys. They're old docs, so you can see, you can speak to the guys. They're old docs, which is cool. This is, I talk about this as well. Elon Musk takes on SEC and Doge and Twitter probe. I put this. SEC sues Musk for alleged failure to testify regarding his 44 billion Twitter purchase last October. Musk calls for a comprehensive overhaul of regulatory agents and punitive action against those abusing power. Musk suggests SEC and DOJ should be probed for the actions. Musk is going after the SEC as well. I tell you guys, this SEC is taking the piss. Yeah, so let me go back here now. I have been here live for 56 minutes. That's very nice. I like that a lot. This was a great live. I hope you guys, if anybody's online, can you guys, I'm gonna play a song here. Not a song, I'm gonna play sound. Can you guys hear this, or is just me? Look, I'm gonna play now. Could you guys hear that? If you could and you are on the stream, can you just put yes or can you put no for me on the comments, just so I know? If not, because I need to route. Maybe I did something with the sound because of my roadcaster broke, so I have to translate everything to put it to my phone and then be able to do the streaming tonight. I need to fix this sound, but it's gonna be very, very cool, guys. Very, very nice. I just need to feed the sound from my computer, basically from my phone, into the router, into the stream, so you guys can hear that as well. And then, of course, on my next live, I'll have that sound coming out for you guys. It was a great show, guys. I loved it. Again, please do follow me here on subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. It's for free. You can subscribe to my channel and share my content with other people like this. You help me to grow, because the idea is to get into the bull market with the channel booming, and hopefully I'll be able to be already full, because as soon as I become full-time content creator for crypto, guys, I'm gonna bring so much content, so much nice stuff in the channel. I'm gonna do a lot of giveaways, all this stuff. So I'm looking forward for that. But of course, I need your support by liking and writing a message, a question, or whatever, into the channel. Okay. I'm also live on Twitch. So everybody's on Twitch. Thanks for coming here. Remember to subscribe. If you're here late watching this video after, it's going to be on Twitch for 14 days before they delete the streaming. So you guys, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, because like this, you help me a lot. Also, I'm live on X. So on X, we love it, but X, I have about 250,000 impressions, which is good, but X needs 5 million impressions in order for them to start paying you. And I only have 3,000 followers on X. So slowly, we're gonna build our how do you call it? Our honey swarm. Is that where all the honeys are? The honey bees are together. The crypto bee, the bee comes from the bees, right? Because I see crypto as our honeypot, and when we all get together in the swarm, is that right? When we put all the bees together. So when you put all the bees together is when we are bee family, right? And we go after the honey, the good honeypots, in order for everybody become wealth and with a financial freedom in our life. Do you know, by the way, do you know why we all want financial freedom? I'll tell you why. The reason why you there watching me now wants financial freedom the same way I want financial freedom. The reasons why is because you want more time. And that's it. You want more time. You want more time to spend with your family. You want more time to do the things that you love and the things you care for. And that's why we want financial freedom, not necessarily because of the money, but yes, to buy your car, to buy your nice house, but above all, to have more time to spend with the ones we love. That's why we all want financial freedom, and we are after that. And crypto, for me, the way I see it, I think crypto is the way to achieve that. And so much so that the more content I create, the more time I spend with crypto, in the crypto space, in the crypto communities, the more reinforce the idea that crypto for me is the way, is the way forward. I believe so much that crypto is the way forward, not only for me but for everybody. And when the time comes when the adoption of crypto is mass to the mass, right? Meaning to our like whenever our grandparents are able to pay stuff with crypto, because it's not so complicated. We need to discomplicate, especially the founders and the developers. They need to learn to find a way to discomplicate crypto. You know, wallets, connection, all of this have to be. The UI must be friendly and have to be more responsive in a way that my grandparents can use, your grandparents can use, and my 9-year-old can use, and your kids can use. That's when we're going to achieve mass adoption. And when that comes, you will remember years back when I was telling this to you, and you, because we are right on the beginning of the .com era, right? 1993 .com era. If you invest then, today you would probably be multimillionaire. We are on that beginning, but in crypto. So we are on the beginning of the .com era, but in the crypto space. And that is very important to acknowledge, to know. The better you understand things, the better you know things. Knowledge is power, right? So the better you understand and the better you know things, farther you can develop your way into the space. All right, guys, it was lovely to be here with you guys. I wish I was sharing some. There's some very nice sounds, for Christ's sake, and I messed that up. Anyway, if you guys want me to talk a little bit about price prediction in other coins or any token you'd like to know, any project, any, I don't know, write down any messages. B, can you please do a review in a project, whatever. We can do any review, check if the project is nice. If it's a project that there is tokens, we can check the token, see if the token is something that will explode eventually, potentially, right? Nothing in crypto is financial advice. Hope you guys enjoyed this live, and I will see you guys on the next video or maybe in another live stream.